to our channel Release on Netflix. Let's start the video now. The whole credit and subject matter track to the lighting, fixtures to the decor and the couple's home is a loving tribute to the types of wholesome, squarely center-class and conservative own circle of relatives, comedies that started to proliferate on TV across the mid-1950s and regularly lived on in syndication for years afterward. There's absolute confidence that those indicates furnished a mild consolation to visitors in tumultuous times, even though a few additionally furnished positive performers like Lucille Ball an outlet for certainly stimulated bodily and home comedy. WandaVision recognizes that even as hinting each actually and metamorphically that all turn into now no longer properly beneath the surface. Long-time MCU fans of course recognize that this is the case. Wanda turned into pressure to kill Vision on the seas of Avengers Infinity War to save you Thanos from getting the Mind Stone, even though Thanos surely grew to become again time with the stone and kill the negative bastard one more time proper in front of already devastated lover, this time acquiring the Mind Stone and snapping Wanda and trillions of others out of existence. An ignorant and pretty probable volatile Wanda lower back with everybody else on the climax of Avengers Endgame. However, Vision remained very dead. Or is he? How is the Vision alive? And the way have he and Wanda ended up in the atypical black and white TV around? There are little pointers peppered during the primary episodes, such as Wanda made system falls within inside the software and a few in-universe meta commercials. While the early episodes of the Disney has presented us the primary three don't incorporate lots within inside the manner of actual surprises. It's very clear that something is extraordinarily amiss here. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates. The 2D episode darkens the temper slightly, even as bringing the display into the world of 1960s collection like the Dick Van Dyke Show and particularly Bewitched. The decor and appearance are updated even as the display actions out of the studio and does a few doors capturing as properly. As with the primary episode, the plot is extremely incidental. It's the little breaks with truth and unusual moments in which this apparent plantism appears to slide that upload gravitas to the surreal and in any other case, laugh proceedings. Episode 2 ends on each a heartwarming and momentous note, such as plot development with a purpose to be very acquainted with long-time readers of Wanda's exploits in Marvel Comics. The 1/3 episode expands on all the similarly humorous and threatening ways even because it hurdles into the following decade of sitcoms. But you will need to be the song in a subsequent week for that. In the meantime, WandaVision is a welcome go back for the MCU that receives its subsequent segment off on sudden footing, however will pay off each in amusement price and the promise of the trends to come. With Wanda formally portrayed within inside the MCU as a tormented, haunted individual and Vision as a somnolent, enigmatic presence, each Bettany and Olsen exhibit their comedic flair here, absolutely committing to the personas built around the characters on this scenario. They have loving on-the-spot chemistry and are ably aided with the aid of using Han, the very essence of the inventory, a neighbor individual, however, who potentially pointers at something greater threatening coiled simply beneath her flawlessly coiled exterior. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com. And if you like our video, then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.